Hi Squires, I'm here with a quick tutorial to talk to you about how to use GoodReads. My main reason for using GoodReads is to find out about books, but it does have a few other features you might take a look at. I'm here on their homepage and it is simply goodreads.com. When you come here, it's not at first obvious where to go to look up books, which is weird what I think, but you can create an account if you're 13 years old. Otherwise, you're just going to use it for its search features. And if you do want to create an account, then you'll be able to add reviews like other readers. So when you get to the home page, scroll down quite a ways until you finally reach search and browse books. And if you have the title that you want to know about, just copy it in there, paste it in there, type it in there, and you'll get a screen with some suggestions that match yours. So I was actually looking for this book, The Crossover, that I have heard my friends talk about. They said it's really good. So I typed that in. And on the results page, what you're going to find is a summary. Okay, so here's a great place to come to learn more about the book because I think the Destiny catalog doesn't do them justice very often. So I just clicked more so I could read the whole summary. And that's important because you don't want to be just left hanging there, do you? The next thing you might want to notice is that you can, for a lot of books, unfortunately not this one, see this book in a preview. So if it did have a preview available, which you could read the first few pages, it would be right here under this want to read button. The next thing that you might do, but I want to say, spoiler alerts, is you could read the reviews of folks, okay? So when you scroll down, you get the community reviews. Some people think they're writing literary essays on Goodreads, and they give a lot away, so just be careful. I did warn you. The other thing you might want to do is see similar books. Okay, so coming over here on the right-hand side, it's readers also enjoyed. So what this means is that they're not necessarily similar, like the books are alike because the main characters or the story is alike. It's alike because readers who have enjoyed the book you're looking at have also enjoyed these other books. Okay, so check those out. And then my last tip for this page is you might also see about the lists that this book is in right here. Now be careful, again, this could be a rabbit hole for you like it is for me because they're in many, many, many lists. So you might just go ahead and scroll through the list and see if any of them sound worthy of you taking a look at. So the Newbery 2015, maybe that means that books that were nominated for the Newbery Award are here. So you might check out that list if you've liked Newbery books in the past. The most deserving Newbery, so someone's even more specialized list, you could check that out and just kind of go through and see if there's any other lists. Like here, there's a novels in verse one. So that might be also a good one to check out. So that's the tips I have for you. There's tons and tons more features on Goodreads, and I leave it to you to explore. I just wanted you to know I think it's a great place to get information about a book and generally find books that others who are readers like you also enjoyed. All right, happy reading.